Absolutely gorgeous 2-story Mattamy home in Meridale, Parker plan, comparable to the Crosby plan in Cheyney, tons of upgrades with over 3,000 square feet, lived in for only 2 years, well kept and ready for the new owner. Already fenced yard, enclosed patio with sliding, tinted windows and screens, storm doors, sealed garage floors, office, 5 bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 3 full bath plus, ceiling fans in every room, wrought iron spindles, deluxe master bath, fireplace, and a generously sized loft with access to a 2nd-story porch. What more can you ask for? Don't miss out on this new home, ready to go and no need to wait. Perfectly located off 485, near 77 and 85, 2 entrances to community, pool and park.